Did you know the average house cat sleeps 15 hours a day? On a rainy day, you probably feel like you've stared at a screen just as long. Boredom is striking, and parents are stressing over screen time. What if the ultimate cure is sitting right on your couch? Indoor cats are secretly tiny apex predators. In the wild, their ancestors navigated dense jungles. In your house? They just walk to the litter box. Building a pillow maze is a high-energy engineering challenge tapping into those primal instincts. Fun fact: cats have whiskers on their front legs to measure tight spaces. They crave a puzzle. Drop the tablet. Today, you are the chief architect of a feline fortress. But first, the golden rule. Every great architect needs a solid foundation. Grab couch cushions and blankets. Here's the trick: cats are liquid. Fun fact: lacking a rigid collarbone lets them squeeze through any head-sized gap. If your walls are flimsy, your cat will bulldoze them. Start with heavy cushions as outer walls, spaced just wide enough for your cat. Use a soft, textured blanket for the floor so they can knead and mark their territory. Now you have a trench. But how do we make a mind-bending labyrinth? To activate your cat's inner tiger, you need blind corners. Fun fact: a cat's peripheral vision is a massive 200 degrees. They rely heavily on surprises. Create sharp 90-degree turns using upright pillows. Build dead ends to force them around. Place a crumpled piece of paper at a dead end. The crinkling mimics rustling dry leaves, irresistible to hunter ears. But a ground-level maze is only half the fun. What happens when we take this vertical? Cats are crepuscular, meaning they're most active at dawn and dusk. Let's put a roof on this operation. Drape a lightweight sheet over your walls. Fun fact: a reflective layer behind a cat's retina, the tapetum lucidum, lets them see in near total darkness. Your dark tunnel is an amusement park for those glowing eyes. But a dark tunnel alone can be spooky. You need a way to tempt them inside. The next step is absolutely crucial. Cats are stubborn. You can't just shove them in. Fun fact: a cat's sense of smell is 14 times stronger than ours. Create a tiny trail of their favorite treats leading deep into the shadows. Or, wiggle a feather wand just inside the entrance. They will dive in headfirst. But what happens when they reach the center? At the heart of your labyrinth, build an open chamber. The best centerpiece? A cardboard box. Fun fact: enclosed spaces release endorphins in a cat's brain, literally making them happy. Cut small holes in the sides and toss a jingle bell inside. When your cat discovers this central fort, they will claim it as their kingdom. Boredom cured. But the fun doesn't stop here. If your cat is snoozing in their new fortress, your engineering journey just began. Over on the Vector Logic channel, we have a massive playlist of high-energy builds you can do right in your living room. Click the playlist on the screen right now. Go build something amazing. Parents, make sure to subscribe if you want this type of fun stuff coming back to your kids' recommendations.